going to make birds jigsaw puzzle. So let's get started. Okay, we have 4 pairs of puzzles. Now let's just take it off. Oh, there's some more. Okay, now my father is going to help me flip over these. Okay, now let's make 2 puzzles, 2 or 4 puzzles. First, let's start with the first puzzle. Which puzzle do you want to make? This? That is the first puzzle. Okay then. I'll show you the rest of the puzzles. This, and this. This is not the 5th pair, okay? That's just the same puzzle as this. So first, let's make this puzzle. If you see the little kid's head, just tell me and just for reminding me. Yeah, that's right. I know that one. Okay, now let's look for the little kid's tail. Here it is. Okay, now it's time for the hummingbird's wing. There it is. Where is the hummingbird? Oh, probably the tail. Fits. That's not the hummingbird, that's a crow. Oh, there it is. This is a hummingbird. Now for the hoopie. Just we have to find the hoopie. Here it is. Now here or here? No, wait. Here. Okay, now I got it. Now, what is this bird? Or we can do the cock, at least. If we keep it over here. Correct. Cock's feet. That's not a cock, that. Oh, here it is. So now what? Let me see if this piece goes over here. It will. No, I don't know what's that bird, but we can just do it. Okay, this. Finished. This first puzzle is finished. This is it for today. So next time I'll come up with some other videos. So keep watching. Don't miss anything. Bye.